का हाथ है, क्योंकि आरएसएस का मुख्यालय वहां है। अब इनके कार्यकाल में वहां डबल इंजन सरकार है ना, महाराष्ट्र में और केंद्र में, तो डबल इंजन सरकार की असफलता है, और अगर ये सरकार असफल है तो इन्होंने इस्तीफा देना चाहिए।
सर, भाजपा नेताओं का कहना है कि ये हिंसा है जो ये साजिश की ओर इशारा करती है। साजिश की ओर इशारा करती है।
किसकी साजिश है? किसकी साजिश है? और इसलिए मैंने कहा कि जिसका जन्म गुजरात में हुआ था, ऐसा औरंगजेब, जब हमारे छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज उनके पश्चात महाराष्ट्र के ऊपर उन्होंने आक्रमण किया था और महाराष्ट्र में उनकी कब्र बांधी गई। बार बार कहना ठीक नहीं, लेकिन सच्चाई है कि गुजरात में जिसका जन्म हुआ था वो औरंगजेब महाराष्ट्र के खिलाफ, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जी के खिलाफ जो महाराष्ट्र में आए थे, वो वापस आगरा नहीं जा सके। तो अब 400 साल पुरानी बात अब निकाल रहे हैं, तो निकालो और इमीडिएट जो भी वहां उनकी कब्र है उखाड़ डालो, लेकिन उस वक्त चंद्रबाबू नायडू और नीतीश कुमार जी को जरूर बुलाइए।
लगातार जिस तरीके से बयान मिनिस्टर्स और मंत्रियों द्वारा आ रहे थे,
कौन से बयान?
नीतीश राणे जैसे जो
क्या बयान? जो
लगातार औरंगजेब का मुद्दा छेड़ रहे थे, नीतीश राणे हो, राजा हो, क्या लगता है कि प्रमुख कारण बना इस पूरी हिंसा के?
नहीं, मैंने कहा ना कि उन्हीं की सरकार है ना, चिल्ला चिल्ली नाटक ढोंग क्यों कर रहे, नाटक क्यों कर रहे? जाओ मोदी जी के पास। और नहीं, और जो बुलडोजर यूपी में चला रहे थे, वैसा बुलडोजर चलाओ ना, किसने रोका है?
अगर ऐसी बात है तो भाजपा ने अपने झंडे से हरा रंग निकालना चाहिए।
बिल्कुल, अगर भारतीय जनता पार्टी बीजेपी को हरे रंग से कुछ तकलीफ है तो उनके झंडे पर जो हरा रंग है वो उन्होंने हटाना चाहिए। तुम्ही आमच्या भगव्याला कलंक लावण्याचा प्रयत्न केला, शिवसेनेचा भगवा जो शिवछत्रपतींचा भगवा आहे त्याला कलंक लावण्याचा प्रयत्न केला, आणि तुम्ही आम्हाला हिंदुत्व शिकवता। तुमच्या झेंड्यावरचा पहिला हिरवा काढा।
अनिल परब यांना उद्देशून असं बोलले की तुम्ही आणि अनिल परब हे नरेंद्र मोदी यांना भेटायला गेला होतात आणि माफी
हो, तेव्हा एकनाथ शिंदे हे मोदींच्या कचरा डस्टबिन मध्ये होते, आम्हाला कळलंच नाही। चला, धन्यवाद। जय महाराष्ट्र।
All right, so that was the first reaction we got from Uddhav Thackeray, former Chief Minister of Maharashtra, the Sena UBT chief, and he was in fact targeting the government of Maharashtra. He called it a failure of double-engine government. This was his first reaction to what happened in Nagpur last night. In fact, some scathing remarks were made by Uddhav Thackeray. He said it's a government formed by trapping people, farmers are dying by suicide, and the government should be ashamed. And he also said that who is stopping the government from using the bulldozer, the action that we see usually taking place in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Let me go across to my colleague Arunil, who is joining us live right now. Arunil, a scathing attack there coming in from Uddhav Thackeray as well, who called what happened in Nagpur as a failure of the double-engine government in Maharashtra.
Well, Uddhav Thackeray here basically during the assembly session launching a scathing attack at his opposition, basically the ruling dispensation, that is the BJP and Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena. Basically saying that BJP doesn't have any issues and that is why they have raked up this Aurangzeb issue. And if at all Devendra Fadnavis, the CM of Maharashtra, feels that the tomb needs to be relocated, then why isn't he directly approaching PM Modi and getting it done once and for all? He also basically took a dig at Eknath Shinde, saying that Eknath Shinde has been put in dustbin now by PM Modi. After using him, now there is no use of Eknath Shinde left for PM Modi.
Right. Arunil, request you to stay on with us. We have Ram Kadam of the BJP also now joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Ram Kadam, thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. How will you like to respond to this first comment coming in from Uddhav Thackeray? He called what happened in Nagpur failure of double-engine government. He also said the home of Home Minister, headquarters of RSS, but their Hindus are in danger. It's a pre-planned conspiracy as being alleged by the Chief Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister. But what has been done by the government? It's a failure of intelligence and failure of the double-engine Sarkar.
See, double standard of Mr. Uddhav Thackeray. This morning, in his own paper, Samna, they said that there is a tomb and no one should destroy that. Who said this? Uddhav Thackeray's own newspaper is saying in this morning. And this noon, he and his son Aditya Thackeray both are saying something else. So they are confused. First, they should decide whether or they written today's Samna not to destroy that throne that they wanted, or this noon they are saying destroy it, which is a correct stand. It is a confused stand. The point number one. Point number two, last night whatever happened in Nagpur, the people who were pelting stones, those were Uddhav Thackeray's party workers. Congress party workers were there. Sharad Pawar party, his party workers were there. They took part in the stone pelting incidents. So it is very much clear that they want to defame our government, and that's the reason why, unfortunately, they were indulged into that incident which was happening yesterday. And point number three, the Congress has given protection under the ASI. Uddhav Thackeray doesn't know this. Why did not he say something about Congress? He does not have that daring. He does not have that those guts. He's scared. First of all, he should criticize Congress party who has given protection to that under the ASI. And he's been showing his fingers to us. And our stand is very much clear. Whatever the public sentiments are, we'll respect their sentiment under the accordance with the law and order.
Okay. Mr. Ramkattam, appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your reaction on what Uddhav Thackeray had to say. And in fact, we have got other political reactions as well. Opposition is holding the government responsible for what happened. Let's now move on and talk about another big story of the day. Viewers,